When you unlock the vehicle with one vehicle key, the allocated driver profile is activated. All the settings saved in the driver profile are applied automatically. To view or change the driver profiles in BMWs with iDrive 6, go to My Vehicle and select Driver Profiles. You can also save your last seat position automatically in your driver profile. If a different driver profile is activated, the settings of that driver profile are automatically applied. If you switch profiles in the Driver Profiles menu, the then activated driver profile is allocated to the vehicle key currently used. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.